Okay, so warm up tayo deadlift.
40.
Ito kasama
Final one.
The nephews. Lakas oh, mix oh. 16 lang yan.
Amira, I did 40. 15.
15? Nice.
Wow. I cannot do the. You cannot pass. I did that.
You'll fix by your stuff.
No.
I'll do the deadlift.
I'm gonna stay here pa.
No. No. Also me.
Connect mo sa. Bye! Bye, Kel!
I'll be here soon.
Yeah, when you go up, sabay-sabay tayong tatlo. Tagal na ng gym, no? 30 years? Kalawang na. Ito yung pinili kong bago, itong deadlift. Kasi yung bar na yun, nasisira na eh. Hindi na pwede
Sabi mo
deadlift.
dati eh.
Ano, no?